Sons of Garmadon, begin the attack!
This is gonna be fun!
Show them no mercy.
We'll cut them to shreds!
So not good. The Sons of Garmadon are here. Come on, ninjas. We have to stop them.
These guys won't stand a chance! Let's teach them not to mess with us!
Let's battle, ninja.
This won't take long!
Yeah.
Rah! Yeah! You won't be getting up from that one!
Bring it on, biker.
You will fall, ninja!
No way.
Whoa! Ka!
Yeah. I sure showed him.
These grunts might have failed, but I won't.
She's coming right at me! Whoa! That was too close!
This time, Ninja, I won't miss. Not if I have anything to say about it. Samurai X-Mech, power up! Let's see how you like my energy launcher. What the? Ah!
No! Ultraviolet! You will suffer for that!
I don't think so. Lightning.
Not good! Oh!
We've done it! The Sons of Garmadon are defeated once more!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jay, the Ninja of Lightning. Thanks for watching CooperAce Productions. Please subscribe and check out more of our awesome videos. Have an amazing day.